A recent study among members of the police force has found that most of them are depressed, some even clinically diagnosed. This information has left one researcher concerned about the impact on how officers could serve and protect. Here's Trisha Kelly with the findings.
The Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF's mission to serve and protect may be in jeopardy after a study conducted by researchers including Dr. Paul Bourne revealed that majority of the force suffers from depression. 32% of males in the force indicated some level of depression, while 72% of females indicated same. This means that the women in the force are twice likely to be depressed than their male counterparts. Dr. Bourne says this data could explain why some officers react to matters the way they do.
This means a whole lot. What we can impute from that is based on the behavior of some police officers that we are seeing out there on the street to the public. Now we can sort of understand why a number of the officers are behaving as they are.
Dr. Bourne, who works alongside JCF members, has observed that their duties are far beyond that of the average Jamaican.
About 12% of officers in Jamaica, police officers that is, are at a moderately to a high level of depression. And 6% of them are what is called clinically depressed individuals, which means they are the ones who should be on medication and getting treatment from their doctors.
But this has left the researchers concerned as the police have access to dangerous weapons. And if a member of the force is triggered, the impact of this depression could pose a threat, not only to him or her, but anyone nearby.
Police officers arbitrarily having guns in their hand at a stage when they are depressed. So this now means that what we should be doing now is assessing all the officers, particularly now, within the context of what our findings are saying. And if it is that we find out that officers are depressed, particularly clinically depressed, these officers should be taken off frontline duty and taken off frontline duty now.
The JCF has approximately 12,000 members. Of that number, a little over 1,000 members form the research sample. Dr. Bourne is adamant assessment must begin now. Trisha Kelly, CVM News.